Welcome students, this is my new video and your chapter is chapter 7, creating programs in Python. So what is a Python? First topic, recalling Python. Python is an interactive, interpreted and object-oriented high-level programming language. It is a high-level programming language which is interactive, interpreted and object-oriented. It is a free, open source, cross-platform and case-sensitive programming language. Free and open source means easily you have to download it from internet, okay, and there is not any cost of this. And this is a case sensitive language, means in which there's something is written in small case letters and something is written is capital letters. Both things are treated differently. It is an immensely popular programming language that is used to create dynamic websites and to develop computer programs, softwares, web applications, mobile apps and interactive 3D games. So it is used to create a dynamic websites and develop computer programs, softwares, web applications, mobile applications and interactive 3D games. So IDLE shell window. Python is installed with an IDLE integrated development and learning environment that provides us with shell window and editor window to develop Python programs. The shell window allows us to directly enter commands at the shell prompt and see their output by pressing the enter key. This method of writing program is called as interactive mode. When we have to write some commands into the shell window and allows directly and see their output by the pressing enter key, this method of writing program is called the interactive mode. The shell window is called as interactive mode is generally used to write small programs. The shell prompt also works as a calculator. You can write commands at the shell prompt and press the enter key to see their output as shown alongside. Here is like that is a Python shell window where you have to write that commands and press the enter key. The output will shown here. Okay, the output will shown here. So commands and their output on the shell window. IDLE editor window, or this is known as a script mode. We can write, edit, debug, run and save Python programs in IDLE editor window. The IDLE editor window is a text editor window like Notepad and WordPad. We can also use other text editors, okay, to write Python programs. A Python program file is saved with .py file extension. What is the extension of Python programs? .py. Python code that we write in an editor window are called script or module. Okay, the Python code that we have to write in a editor window, it is known as a script or module. So using IDLE editor window, we can access IDLE editor window from Python shell window. Follow these steps to open the IDLE editor window and write a small program in it. How you can open it? So first you click on that start button, then click on all programs, then click on that IDLE Python 3.1 to open the Python shell window. Click on the file menu, new option on the Python shell window, like that file menu and new file. Okay, the Python editor window will open with a new file. Write a small program to find the sum of two values as shown below. You need to save the program file before running it. Okay, this is that where you have to write a program file, and before saving it, to save the program file, click on that file menu, save option on the editor window. The save as dialog box open. Type a name for the program file and add .py file extension with the name. You can create a separate new folder in the Python directory to save your program files. Click on the save button. The file will be saved by the given name. Here is the save button. You have to type that file name with that py extension, okay, and click on that save button. The file will saved by that given name. So this is the way through which you can open a new file in editor window, write some code here and save that file. Okay students, so this is the today's video that is over now. And now one topic is also that running a script or module. To follow these steps to run the scripts or program file that you have created and saved. Click on that file menu and then click on open option and open the saved file. Which file you want to open, then you have to open it. Okay, and click on that run menu, the run module option, or press the F5 function key. Click on that run, or here is a run module. If you use the shortcut key, that is a F5. The program will get executed and output will be displayed on the shell window as shown here. This is the program window, editor window. Here is a program. Okay, and when you have to click on that run module or press the F5 key, the shell window will appear, and here is the output. Okay, the sum of the values is 300. The output is shown here. So this is the shell window where the output is shown, and this is the editor window where you have to write that program. And using that run module or F5 key, you have to run your script or program file. Okay students, so that is okay for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.